I'm born in this country. This is my life. I know all this place. I know all the movement on these animals. Elephant is so important, and here in South Africa, I give this elephant all of my heart.